I reminisce on the last Christmas I spent with my mom and my dad. I'm still tripping, wishing that I could go back to know what I'm missing. It's a mystery, oh, how to forget. I'm not a magician, I try fixing shit that I can't. Memories make me sick, I hope the past the hardest that it gets. Mama said she drinking to forget. I told my mama, save your son a sip. Trying to slow my breath and get a grip. I think life is harder than in death. There in heaven, I'm the